Effectively safeguards valuables such as cash, jewelry, documents, firearms and more. Compact design made with premium anti-pry steel and a foam-padded interior. Easily transportable for traveling and small enough to store discreetly. Includes a zinc alloy combo lock for additional security. This case is California DOJ certified as a firearm safety device. Top reviews from the United States. Inexpensive entry-level deterrent. Good for keeping snooping kids from accessing a handgun or similar items. Padding is thick and firm, so a good amount of force must be used to hold it closed while locking, and the unlock is similarly stiff, but this can be resolved by shaving the padding down based on contents. Would be challenging to see rollers to unlock at night, but is nice and quiet without the beeps of many digital locks. Overall a good basic option.